Once you have an account that lets you sign into QPP, you'll need to connect to an organization such as a practice or an APM entity. Connecting to an organization is the second step in the two-step process that will allow you to submit, view, and manage data for an organization. Navigate to the Manage Access page. If you're not connected to any organization, you'll have a blank screen here that prompts you to connect to an organization. If you're already connected to an organization, you'll see those organizations listed and then will be prompted to connect to another organization. Whether you are connecting to an organization for the first time or connecting to another organization, the three next steps will remain the same. The first step is to choose your organization type. The second step is to select your model. At this time, you can connect to a shared savings program ACO, a next generation ACO, or a comprehensive primary care plus or CPC plus practice. But we will be adding additional models in the future. The information required does vary slightly based on the model that you select. In this video, we will use the example of a shared savings program ACO. Once you've selected your model, you'll need to find your organization. Once you've selected your entity, you can click to change the organization if you've selected the wrong one. This will take you back to step 2. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and click continue. The third step is to choose your role. If your organization already has a security official, you can select staff user or security official, and then click submit request. This will send the request to the existing security official to approve. If you are the first person to connect to your organization, you will only have the option to select security official, and staff user will be grayed out. In order to become the security official, you will need to provide additional information that we'll then use to verify your request. Note that this information could vary slightly based on model. For shared savings programs ACOs, you will need to provide the ACO ID and then 2 taxpayer identification numbers or TINs participating in your ACO. Once you become the security official for this APM entity, you will need to approve or deny any new requests for access to the organization.